In the vast range of the universe, beyond the boundaries of our earthly world, lies a planet wrapped in mystery and calling humanity with an irresistible attraction. A planet that has captured our collective imagination for generations. Mars, the red planet. For centuries, we have gazed up at its flaming glow, wondering what secrets it holds within its dark embrace. And now, as technology advances at an unprecedented pace, we find ourselves on the edge of an epic race. The race to Mars has begun, with nations and private companies fighting for dominance in the race of space exploration and colonization. But what exactly is at stake? What are the latest developments fueling this relentless pursuit? Welcome. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to dive deep into the latest breakthroughs, unveil the cutting-edge technologies that will shape our future, and reveal the audacious plans that will determine who claims the title of the first inhabitants of Mars. Did you know that Mars is approximately 142 million miles away from Earth? That's more than 200 times the distance between Los Angeles and New York City. But distance is just the beginning. The technological advancements needed to travel to Mars are astonishing. NASA estimates that a crewed mission to Mars would take around 6 to 8 months, depending on the alignment of the planets. Can you imagine spending that much time in a confined spacecraft chasing through the emptiness of space? The human body is not built for prolonged exposure to microgravity. It can cause muscle atrophy, bone loss, and a lot of other health issues. Developing countermeasures to protect astronauts on this epic journey is important. To ensure the survival of our courageous explorers, space agencies and private companies are investing billions in research and development. Breakthroughs in engine systems such as ion rockets and plasma engines promise faster travel times and reduced fuel consumption. SpaceX Starship, for example, is being developed with the ambitious goal of going back and forth up to 100 people to Mars at once, with plans to create a sustainable settlement on the red planet. But it's not just about getting there, it's about understanding the planet's environment. NASA's Curiosity and Perseverance have been instrumental in gathering invaluable data about Mars' geology, climate, and potential habitability. The presence of water, ice on Mars, underground reservoirs, and even the potential for past microbial life have provoked scientists and strengthened our hopes for eventual human habitation. Governments and private enterprises worldwide have set their sights on Mars. SpaceX, Blue Origin, and other visionary companies are racing to develop cost-effective and reusable technologies, envisioning a future where Martian settlements become a reality. Mars holds the promise of unlocking new scientific discoveries, resource exploitation, and the potential for a multi-planetary civilization. The race to Mars is not just a competition, it's a testament to human ambition and a relentless pursuit of knowledge. Indeed, the race to Mars is a testament to our unshakable spirit, but it's not without its challenges. Extreme temperatures, the lack of a breathable atmosphere, and the constant threat of radiation are just a few of the disturbing challenges awaiting those who venture to Mars. Temperatures on the Martian surface can crash to a bone-chilling minus 80 degrees Fahrenheit, enough to freeze carbon dioxide and create massive dust storms that overtake the entire planet. Mars' atmosphere is about 100 times thinner than Earth's, providing minimal protection from harmful cosmic radiation and solar flames. This poses a significant health risk to astronauts during their long-duration stay. Radiation exposure can lead to increased cancer risk, DNA damage, and even impair cognitive functions. Finding effective shielding solutions and countermeasures is crucial for the success of any Mars mission. To minimize these threats, engineers and scientists are developing innovative technologies and designs such as underground habitats, 3D printed structures, and radiation shielding materials to provide a safe place for future Martians. But surviving on Mars is not just about physical hardships. The psychological toll of isolation, confinement, and being millions of miles away from Earth presents its own set of risks. Extended periods of isolation and confinement can lead to psychological issues like depression, anxiety, and interpersonal conflicts. Mental health support and effective communication systems are vital for maintaining the well being of Mars explorers. Despite these immense challenges, the race to Mars goes on. Collaboration between nations, leveraging the expertise and resources of various organizations, is key to overcoming the hurdles that lie ahead. In conclusion, the race to Mars is a testament to the audacity of human ambitions, the relentless pursuit of knowledge, and our underlying spirit of exploration. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. Subscribe to our channel, join the conversation, and be part of the future. Remember, the race to Mars has just begun, and the possibilities are limitless.